Hi, this is Nilus Mattive for Money and Markets TV. 2012 is right around the corner, and now is the time of year when people start making New Year's resolutions. So today, I want to suggest 4 resolutions you can use to help you greatly improve your financial life in 2012 and beyond. Resolution number 1 is I am not going to accept paltry yields for another year. Unfortunately, I'm sure many of you know that CDs, savings accounts, and money market funds have been handing investors practically nothing for much of the last decade. But there are plenty of dividend-paying stocks that are currently handing out safe, steady yields of 5%, 6%, even 7% and higher. There's nothing stopping you from putting at least some of your nest egg to work in them immediately. Resolution number 2 is I am not going to take big risks with my money. Now, some folks have probably been avoiding dividend stocks because they consider them risky. Given the recent gyrations in the stock market, I can understand that viewpoint. And I'll be the first to say that stock prices can and do decline sometimes. But I think the best way to counter that argument is to just give you a quick rundown of the performance of 2 portfolios I run this year. My long-running Dividend Superstars picks posted a total return of 6.1%, even as the S&P 500 was down 3.3% over the same period. That means we outperformed the market by more than 9 percentage points, something most fund managers would kill to do. Meanwhile, my dad's actual income portfolio, the $100,000 that I'm helping him invest in a Vanguard IRA, gained more than 4%. And I should note that we had practically half of his money in cash the whole time. So if you still think all stocks are bad, or that it's impossible to make money from dividend payers in down markets, well, just ask any of my Income Superstar subscribers, or even my own dad. Resolution number 3 is I'm going to budget wisely. Whether you have a large family or you're on your own, I encourage you to figure out how you want to spend your money next year. A budget may seem restrictive, but it actually means no more feeling guilty about buying something, and no more credit card hangovers either. Plus, with a little planning and discipline, you'll surely find new ways to save more money over the long term. And finally, resolution number 4 is I'm not going to pay more taxes than I have to. A great side effect of having a solid budget in place is that other parts of your financial life also become clearer. Not only does it get easier to save and invest, it also gets easier to plan for your tax bills. And when it comes to Uncle Sam, my philosophy is simple: pay the bare minimum. No, I'm not saying you should cheat the government out of money that you legitimately owe. Rather, I am advocating the use of every single credit and deduction available to you. I'm suggesting that you plan ahead and shift income to your advantage whenever possible. And I'm arguing that you make your investment portfolio as streamlined and tax efficient as it can be. This resolution, like all of the ideas I outlined today, just takes some research and planning. With a little resolve, there's no reason you can't make 2012 your safest, most profitable year yet. For Money and Markets TV, I'm Nilus Mattive. Have a happy and healthy new year.